The easiest way for beginners to make money online is the $25 all-in-one digital business. Hi everybody, Joe Barkley here from joebarkley.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of northern New York. And in this video, I will explain why the easiest way for beginners to make money online is the $25 all-in-one digital business from the Home Business Academy. Whether you have never built an online business before, or maybe you've tried but not had the success you were looking for, this video is for you, so stay with me. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. What I'm going to share with you is based on both what I've learned over those years and my own personal experience with the $25 all-in-one digital business. See, it is my #1 recommended affiliate marketing income stream. And there are three major reasons the $25 all-in-one digital business is the one I recommend for beginner and also seasoned marketers too. First, this brand new all-in-one business model is the fastest, simplest, least expensive way ever for you to step into an immediately profitable business online, no matter what your previous experience. Plus, enjoy unlimited residual income that comes in month after month too. With our quick start strategy and done-for-you marketing system, you can see results fast. You can start getting instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions in as little as 24 hours without creating your own products or websites, and even if it's your very first day online. We have a simple, proven 3-step plan to work with you. You will have everything you need. I recently put up a video detailing the Home Business Academy's marketing system. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. The second reason is that it pays out 80% commissions, 80%. And if you look around at other affiliate marketing opportunities, you will see that this is huge. It gets you into profit fast. With 80% commissions, you refer just 2 people and you are in profit. Almost anyone can see themselves referring 2, and we will show you how to refer 2 or more every week. The third reason I recommend the $25 digital business is the price. As the name implies, you can get started for only $25. There is nothing else you need to buy. Look at so many other businesses. Not only do they cost more to start, but many times much more. And after you're in, you find out that there are additional tools you need to buy just to build the business. The final reason this is the easiest way for beginners to make money online is my personal mentoring. When you team up with me, I will help you every step of the way. You can capitalize on my years of experience and easy access, and that's not sales talk. I make more money by helping people like you succeed. To learn more, just follow the link below. You will immediately be taken to our online tour that explains everything. I will also send you an email with my contact information, including my cell, so it's easy for you to email, call, or text me with any questions before you get started. No, I don't hide behind a website like so many others you see online. I hope this short video encourages you to take advantage of the $25 all-in-one digital business to start creating financial freedom. It's easier than you think. And again, I invite you to feel free to reach out with any questions at any time. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarkley.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barkley. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.